how to see people you blocked on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see the list of people that you blocked on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see a list of people that you have personally blocked on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a Snapchat application here. Then after you've done that, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and once you tap the profile icon from the top left, you can make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right, over here you should be able to see all the sorts of details under support, feedback, permissions, and under account actions. What you actually need to do is under account actions you'll find the option called blocked. So make sure to just go to this option called blocked, and over here you should be able to see the person. Now all you have to do is just unblock it by tapping the cross icon here and then tapping on the yes option, and you can unblock that people. But basically a list of people who you blocked will show up over here. This way you will be able to see people you blocked on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.